Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm spending a relaxing day surrounded by flowers, peaceful lakes, and beautiful nature here at Auburn Botanic Gardens. Sometimes you don't have to travel far to find something magical. Today, I am exploring one of Sydney's most peaceful hidden gems, Auburn Botanic Gardens. If you love calm nature escapes, this place might become your new favorite spot. As soon as you enter the garden, you are welcomed by colorful flowers and lush greenery everywhere. The pathways are perfect for slow walks, taking photos, or just enjoying the peaceful atmosphere. Every corner feels like a little escape from the busy city. One of the most exciting moments here was spotting a beautiful peacock. Seeing it walk around freely in the garden made the whole experience feel even more special. It's definitely one of those little moments that makes you pause and appreciate nature. One of the most peaceful spots in the garden is the lake area. Watching the calm water, the reflection of trees, and the gentle movement of nature around you instantly makes you slow down. You can spot colorful fish swimming around. It adds such a lively and beautiful touch to the lake, making it feel even more magical. What I love most about this garden is how every section feels different. Some areas are filled with bright flowers, while others are quiet and shaded, perfect for relaxing or just enjoying the view. Moments like these remind me how refreshing it is to slow down and reconnect with nature. Sometimes a simple walk through a garden is all you need to visit. If you are visiting Sydney and looking for peaceful nature escape, Auburn Botanic Garden is definitely worth exploring. I hope you enjoyed this little walk with me.